it's Miss A, got a lot to say on all the things we go through within the day. Politics, dating, recipes, traveling, and yep, of course, I'm the karaoke queen. I take no L's, I'm always booking flights. This is my lovely lunatic Leo life. Kaboom! Guess who stepped in the room? This is my lovely lunatic Leo life. Kaboom! Guess who stepped in the room? The one and only VSG.
Hey, good morning, guys. So I am going for my pre-op doctor's appointment or surgeon's appointment. I am just here. My surgeon is Dr. Strom in Glen Ridge, New Jersey. Sorry, I just walked. I'm a little sweaty. But the day is finally here. The first time, or the last time I was here was when I got my consultation and I got the date for my surgery. So the date is only 4 days away. I'm a little nervous, but we'll see what it's gonna be like soon. Surgery's on Monday, September 27th, 2021. Hello. Hi. Good. Thank you. My surgeon is Dr. Strom. So this is my second time seeing him since back in June. So I did everything I had to do, which is see the gastroenterologist, cardiologist, psychiatrist, and do nutrition classes. So I did all that throughout the summer, and it came pretty quick. Now people have different time, different months that it'll take. Like my friend is going to do it. She has to wait 6 months because she has to take 6 nutrition classes. Luckily, I only had to take 3, so it's coming so fast. So I'm getting mine next week. By the time it's time for hers in 6 months, at least she can see the progress. Of course, I'll keep it posted, just like I'll be keeping you guys posted. Thank you for watching my YouTube. Make sure you subscribe, like, and share, and get ready to meet my surgeon.
Today you measure in at 281.
Oh, good.
Your BMI is 41.
6 weeks out of work. Good to go. This is my surgeon, Dr. Strom. He's the one that's going to change my life. And just say hi, I guess.
Hi, everyone.
I'm pretty lucky to have him.
And I'm lucky to have you, and we're going to do great together. Your cardiac, your medicine, your GI, psych, everybody said everything's safe for you to move ahead.
Okay. They did tell me to say I do have sleep apnea.
That's fine.
Okay.
Yep, that's why we're here.
Okay.
It's going to help alleviate that.
Good.
And that's why we do that, so anesthesia is aware of it. Okay?
Okay.
How old are you?
39.
Surgeries in the past, any?
No.
Drink alcohol?
Yes.
Smoke cigarettes?
No.
Perfect.
I smoke marijuana though.
Okay, clear. So let's go over the sleeve so
Okay.
you understand it. Okay. Take some pictures of this. Okay.
Yeah.
So, like I told you last time, the sleeve is a purely restrictive procedure. What do I mean? Instead of eating a dinner plate, you're going to eat a salad plate. So we're shrinking the size of your stomach. And how we do that is we divide the stomach to make a very long, narrow column. The new shape is the shape of a banana. The new size, about half the size of your fist. So as you eat less food and you feel full. Like I said, salad plate.
Yeah.
We don't change the lower anatomy like you do in the gastric bypass. So there is no malabsorption, so the vitamin deficiencies aren't that severe. And I do remove a portion of stomach which has some hormones that affect your hunger. Okay. In doing so, you're going to lose approximately 60 to 70% of your excess body fat in the first year. That's if you stay compliant with me, the dietitian, exercise, and support groups.
Okay.
Not only will you lose this weight, but you're going to maintain it for years to come.
Yes.
So you say, why doesn't everybody do this? Because there's risks involved with any type of surgery. I put you through that very extensive physical, and everybody said it's safe to move ahead.
Okay.
I'm going to check that staple line in the operating room the next morning with an x-ray.
Okay.
I put you on an anti-acid, which we should have given you a script for. Did you get that script
Yeah.
for the omeprazole?
Yes.
Okay, that coats the stomach to allow it to heal for the first couple months.
Okay.
And I do check your vitamin level at the 6-month mark and every year after.
Perfect.
Then there's complications that could occur with any type of surgery, blood clots in your legs. Why am I so concerned about blood clots? Because if they travel to your lungs, that could be dangerous. I put special boots on your calves while you're in the hospital. I give you a blood thinner while you're in the hospital only. But more importantly, I do these through little incisions called laparoscopy. Most likely 4 little incisions. Surgery is going to take 45 minutes to do.
Okay.
A 1-night stay, and about a week to get back to your normal activities.
Oh.
No heavy lifting, though, for 20 pounds or heavier for 4 weeks.
Okay.
Questions?
So one of them is I do smoke marijuana daily. How long do I have to stop smoking for?
I'd like you to stop at least. How long can you stop for? Okay.
That's a good
The
question.
longer, the better.
Okay.
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 Because I want everything to heal. The first 4 to 6 weeks is the crucial part, of healing and all.
Okay.
So if we could stop for that, that would be great. Okay.
All right. So no smoking for at least 4 to 6 weeks.
Yes.
Okay.
That tight one there.
Okay. When it's gonna be out of order, but when I do my protein shakes and I shake it, I know we're not supposed to drink bubbles, but sometimes it's like I have to wait for it to go down.
That's okay. And I'll have you, the dietitian, I'll give you her number, and she'll go over a lot of those details as far as dietary with you, okay?
Okay. So, all right.
Yes.
How long is it before I can have sex?
See how you feel when you go home. I don't have a,
Oh, okay, so it's no-
Yeah, as long as, you're comfortable and you're not in pain and whatever, it's up to you.
Okay.
There's no restriction on that.
And for alcohol, it's like 6 months at least.
You know what? I don't want you to drink your calories at the beginning. I want you to
Okay.
eat your calories.
Right.
So as we go along and through the process, we'll talk about that and get you set up for that. And we'll see how your progression's going.
Okay.
The best thing about our program, you have access to her, okay?
Okay.
She's by phone, by email.
Okay.
They're going to be in direct. Usually they come even in the office, but because of COVID, we've stopped that component. So,
Got it.
but
Okay.
you know what? That's the great part, that we have all these support structures for you to help you get through this, and you're going to do phenomenal. I'm so excited for you.
I'm excited and I'm just nervous more about the pain than anything.
Everybody's, it's funny. Everybody's always, I wouldn't expect you not to be nervous at this point.
Yeah.
You're sitting here and you're gonna have surgery, but then
Yeah.
all of a sudden, a month afterwards, they're like, I don't remember that day. But
Wow.
good thing we have a video, because I could say, let's play it back and see you were nervous.
Yeah, so that's it. No other questions.
The next step is I need you to sign consent for the procedure. As long as
Okay.
you understand everything I said today, I just need you to sign there.
Okay.
The next page is for blood products. I don't plan on giving you any, but if it's emergent, if it's okay, I need you to sign there too.
Okay.
Okay? So those two. I'm excited to take part of your journey. We'll be great together, okay?
Thank you. Hey, good morning. So I'm at the hospital. The day of surgery, September 27th, 2021, also known as my second birthday. And I'm just waiting to register. So once I register, then I go to get ready for the surgery. So this is it, guys. The time is here. Yes, I'm scared. Yes, I'm nervous. Yes, I'm excited. They're gonna give me the IV and everything. I took the piss test already. Make sure I ain't pregnant, cause that would be some shit. And that's it. Now I'm just patiently waiting. So I don't know how I'm gonna feel after the surgery. I may or may not be able to vlog, but stay tuned. This is my new birthday. Did I mention that? My new birthday, September 27th, 2021. A new bitch is about to be born. So they're about to give me my IV. Hi, how are you?
How are you?
Good, thank you. So that's happening. This is really happening, guys. It's so surreal. I didn't think I'd be able to sleep last night, but I actually slept really well. And Lola was right by me the whole time. The last few weeks she's been sleeping at the foot of my bed. Last night she was like all up on me. So she's giving me her well wishes. But yeah, the time is now. It's really coming. An hour left. Hey, This is the day after the surgery. Yesterday, y'all, I was so out of it. I could not talk to you. I'm sorry. Yesterday was the worst. I was here feeling sorry for myself. Like, why the hell did I do this? People asking, is this your first sleeve? Hell yeah, it's my first sleeve and my goddamn last. I ain't doing this shit again. Thank you, everybody, for the well wishes. My surgery was over around 1, but my blood pressure was so high, like 200 after surgery, so I had to wait in a recovery. So now I'm just got a lot of gas and shit that I'm trying to get out. I did walk around the unit and they gave me some stuff, but I'm still out of it, so I won't respond to you guys till tomorrow. But thank you, everybody. My gas pains was killing me yesterday. I wasn't able to drink anything. I had my first cup of water today and it was only up to here. I have to drink it slow. I have to blow out of this at least 5 times an hour, and I really haven't. Like yesterday, I was out of it. Like my father and my stepmom came to see me. I was asleep half the time they were here. Then at night, I couldn't sleep on and off. They came checking on me, doing my vitals. After surgery, my blood pressure was very high for at least 4 hours, so I did not leave recovery till about 5:30, till I got to my own room. It was bad yesterday. It really was bad, and I'm here sitting crying with no tears coming out. Like, why did I do this? I should have never did that. I'm never doing this shit again. I don't know how people do it more than once. I am not a pain person. I hate pain. I hate hospitals. I've never been in a hospital like this overnight. Never had surgery before. I was feeling queasy, so they gave me this to throw up in. I was throwing up hella blood last night, but they said because they put something down my throat while I'm in surgery. Then I have this sheet. It tells you how much water to drink per 4 times per hour. So, but I'm about to go walk around. I still feel a little gas. It feels like a headache is coming too. But maybe my blood pressure might be high, so I gotta let them know. But I swear, I only wish this pain on my worst enemies. But I'm happy I did it. I just want to wait. I can't wait till like a few days from now on I don't feel anything. But I still walking a little slow. I'm peeing like a fucking racehorse because of all the IV they're giving me and liquids and stuff. So that's it. Then they gave me this thing, which is like, I don't know if you can see it, it's green, and they gave me this to like wipe my mouth, and I thought it was my little relief for having water, so I was like swallowing it. You're not supposed to, it's only for your mouth. It's like mouthwash. So I was like, no wonder I kept getting nauseous every time I swallowed it, but I wasn't supposed to swallow it. Hopefully I'll go home today. I'm excited to go home, see my little Lola Sky. But that's it. I stink. Oh, last night I was so cold. They had the heat on high. I was freezing. They gave me so many heavy blankets. I was sweating cold sweat. It was bad. I would sleep, then I'd wake up, and then I was uncomfortable. But it is what it is. We're still working on it. Hopefully soon I will be okay. I call this my second birthday because now I'm a new me. My first birthday is July 23rd, second one is September 27th, the day that I changed my life. Make sure to follow my YouTube every week for new updates.